parts love and 1 part cheer. It's our recipe for this time of year. A family and good company are coming by tonight. We celebrate and stay up late, stay warm beside the fire. We eat and drink and share the fun. It's the best time